Well, 38 members of the National Guard are expected here this evening. They're going to help with road closures and sandbagging. They expect water to come over the roadways here in Everson tomorrow morning, and at that point they will do some road closures. People have been coming here to this city yard all day to get sandbags to try and protect their homes. It's an impressive machine. A push of a lever, a sandbag full in just seconds. But when the need is this desperate and it just keeps raining,
Kind of an assembly line of people.
Volunteers like Megan say they just can't sit at home.
The people that are over here were almost as quick as Army Corps' sandbagging machine. Many hands make little work.
Every bit helps.
And a lot of the same people that lost their house last week are trying to just get whatever they can to protect what they have left, which is probably the most heartbreaking thing.
The city will get a much needed boost in the form of the National Guard. Even the Border Patrol is trying to help with road closures.
There are certain roadways that get deep water moving through and fast water in our floodway, and those are the ones we're focused on.
You want me to step in and give you a shorter trip, man?
Chris Evans just moved the community and has been touched by the support.
I believe a lady named Jennifer was dropping off hot meals to our house for a few days afterwards, which was a huge help when you're cleaning mud out all day.
What you don't hear is people complaining.
And everything's saturated. Getting any more rain is just, yeah, it's horrible.
There's too much to do.
Let me get this truck backed in.
You have people that are literally driving around with trucks full of sandbags just trying to get them to people that need them.
Late this afternoon, that Army Corps of Engineers sandbag machine did break. They're trying to get it fixed. They tell us it can fill between 1,600 and 1,700 sandbags an hour. It's been critical in helping people get sandbags here all day. This evening, the city plans to do a reverse 911 call asking people in flood-prone areas to voluntarily evacuate. They believe a lot of those people have already gone for higher ground. And once again, they think the water is going to go over the roadways tomorrow morning. Once that starts happening, they will shut down those streets. In Everson, Amy Marino, King 5 News.